2020. Kanye 2020. Do what? Just water. It's a break. Water. Smell it. It's water. Smell it.
It better be water, partner, or you're one dead son of a... Y'all go visit the Austin Tatum store. Go get you some of that cool merch. We got the Father's Day stuff out there. The link is in the description section. A discount code will pop up on the screen. And pre-order. Pre-order gets a discount. After pre-order, no more discount available. All right, let's get into this. All right, I want to talk about this one incident that occurred with this ignorant young man. Y'all gonna stop playing with these pranks. People done got fought. They done got shot. And this kid almost got killed pranking like he gonna pour gasoline on people's cars. I don't know what viral sensation you can receive at the cost of risking your life. Watch this kid literally run into the wrong person. He almost bit the dust. Another one bites the dust. He almost bit that hollow tip. Roll the clip.
Come on, man.
Burning your car down, bro. Your car, man. Over. All of this. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Why you want to do it?
Come on, man.
Come on, bro. Hey, water. Kanye 2020. Kanye 2020. Do what? Just water. It's a break. Water. Smell it. It's water. Smell it.
It better be water, partner, or you're one dead son of a...
It's water.
You stay out of this.
Yeah, I don't think you want to do that. It's 2020.
I don't want to do that. You almost died, you stupid son of a... Let me just say this. Y'all young people, stop it with these prank TikTok challenge stuff. Y'all gonna end up getting knocked off and ruin your whole life or get hurt or do something because y'all trying to go viral. It ain't gonna be worth it. If the man would have shot that young man, we wouldn't be having this conversation right now. It would be it'd be slow singing and flower bringing. I don't understand why people want to mess with other people's stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you're doing a little nice prank that's gonna end in happiness, maybe that's cool. But y'all out here fake pouring gasoline on people's cars. You pour gasoline, like for instance. If you pour gasoline on my car, I can't guarantee your safety. I pay a lot of money for one of my cars. I mean, I say all my cars, but at least one of my cars, that's my baby right there. You pour gasoline. If I perceive you pouring gasoline on my car, I'm a public figure. I don't know if you're trying to set me on fire or not. You may end up eating some gunpowder. And I don't want that for your life. So young people, don't be a fool and F around and find out. That F around and find out theology is real. It's a scale. The more you F around, the more you find out. The more y'all play stupid games, you're going to get stupid prizes. And I know that the kid is doing it in fun and jest, but listen, you're going to run into the wrong person. Be mindful of the way you're representing and the things that you're doing because you never know what position a person is in. They may be on their last rope, divorced their wife, thinking about ending it all, and you throwing gasoline on their car. And then they finna go meet Jesus. And y'all both gonna meet Jesus. They getting a 2-for-1. Don't be that person. And let me get back to my son's practice. Every time I think of that, I gotta jump in the car and do a quick one. I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out here.